US to send anti-aircraft Stinger missiles to Ukraine. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my great people listening all over the world. You are most welcome to Amaka Smart TV. We bring you news today on international news today on the war between Russia and the Ukraine. How Russia invaded Ukraine, and there has been a great war there since February 24th. And however, there has been many help coming from different countries to help Ukraine. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do so to subscribe to Amaka Smart TV. And also share this news to your friends, to your loved ones on your social media, and also to your families. And also subscribe to Amaka Smart TV. Now, let us give you the news in details. The US has approved the direct delivery of Stinger missiles to Ukraine as part of a package approved by the White House on Friday. It was learned that the US is currently working on the logistics of the shipment of the weapon, which the exact timing of delivery is not known. However, Germany had earlier announced that it will send 500 Stinger missiles and other weapons and supply to Ukraine. And according to the Times of Israel, the high-speed Stingers are very accurate and are used to shoot down helicopters and other aircrafts. Ukrainian officials have been asking for more of the powerful weapons. Estonia has also been providing Ukraine with Stingers since January, and in order to do that, had to get US permission. Giving summary on what is happening in Ukraine by the Russians. The Russians' missile hit an oil depot in Vasykayiv, its mayor said, prompting fear of toxic fumes. Air raid sirens in Kyiv sounds shortly before midnight local time, warning of incoming missiles. A curfew is in the place from Saturday evening until Monday morning, that is today. Kyiv's mayor says anyone seen in the street will be considered a Russian saboteur. The US, the EU, that is the European Union, and the UK, United Kingdom, and other allies say they have agreed to remove some Russian banks from the SWIFT payment system. They also pledge to limit the sales of golden passport citizenship to wealthy Russians. Huge number of people are fleeing Ukraine, with a 27-hour-long queue of women and children on the Moldovan border. Germany also announced that it is sending anti-tank missiles and other weapons to Ukraine, marking a major change in policy. Please always stay tuned. Now, the Ukraine officials arrive Belarus for Russia peace talk, seek withdrawals of troops. Earlier, it was reported that the talk kept being postponed due to logistical and safety issues. Ukrainian authorities has announced that their delegation has arrived at the Ukraine-Belarus border to start peace talk with the Russian delegation. The main issue on their agenda, they say, is a ceasefire and withdrawal of troops from the Ukrainian territory BBC News reports. Earlier, it was reported that the talk kept being postponed due to logistical and safety issues. In his address on Sunday, Ukraine President Zelensky said that he didn't expect a breakthrough from these talks, but he added they should try and use their chance, even if it is small, so that no one can blame Ukraine for not trying to stop the war. Thank you and God bless you. And please stay tuned for more details on this international war between the Ukraine and the Russia. God bless you.